and welcome back to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This video is an update on the New to Gardening series. As you can see, most of the seeds sprouted and are looking good. However, there were some that did not sprout over the course of several days. For those, I simply replanted. When growing seedlings indoors, I open a window allowing the breeze to sway the seedlings. This helps to strengthen them. However, if it is too cold outside, I use a fan on low settings to get the same effect. The fan stays on only for a few minutes. This may not be necessary, but it seems to be a working solution to prevent droopy plants. The sweet potatoes that were placed in the water in the previous video did develop roots. I also planted 3 more sweet potatoes in soil to show that both methods work just fine. I do, however, prefer one over the other. I am going to do a separate video on growing sweet potatoes as the growing method differs from white potatoes. A few days after planting the first set of seeds, I repeated these steps to plant more as time allowed. This way I was not overwhelmed with planting so much at one time, thereby neglecting work and other chores around the homestead. Staggering the planting of the seeds is also a good way to assure all of your crops do not mature at the same time. For example, you might plant 4 cabbage heads one week and wait 3 to 4 weeks before planting 4 more. In this example, your cabbage matures at different times, allowing you to harvest just enough for dinner. However, there are times when you want all of your crops to mature at the same time, such as in the case of tomatoes. This way, your harvest will be bountiful enough to spend the day canning.